Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, December 18th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. So we're still working on things for this week, for a week before Christmas, working on kindness, so giving gifts of kindness to people. So we'll be viewing a video from 4th grade that will give you examples of kindness that you could do during the day. Lunch choices for today is chicken Alfredo with noodles, chicken drumstick, or Caesar salad. And for our December birthdays to announce for today, we have Major McCarthy and Nova Petty. Happy birthday to both of you. And then for next week, we have Antoine Thrist and Diana Soto. So Antoine has a birthday on the 23rd of December, and Diana is actually a Christmas birthday on December 25th. So happy birthday to all of you today. We will conclude the rest of the birthdays tomorrow for December up through the end of the week. So all of you that have December birthdays, happy birthday to once again to you. Here is our video for today for kindness.
Okay, boys and girls, I have some 4th grade students here to help out with our kindness that we're doing for this week for Christmas, so giving gifts of kindness. So the students here from Mrs. Foltz's class have each an act of kindness that you could be doing.
If someone doesn't have a friend, be a friend to them. Don't be rude to people, just like not being their friend. Help people with math.
Those are good examples. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. Everybody have a wonderful day today. Have a wonderful Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. And then Friday is quickly approaching. That will be the day that we have our winter parties from 1:30 until 1:55 at the end of the day. Have a wonderful day today.